Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. This video today on this brand new RS6 behind me in stunning Nardo Grey is all about that awesome product we call the Target Blue Eye 2 and how it works. Now, a little intro to Target Blue Eye 2. In essence, it is a product that will detect all emergency service vehicles in and around you via visual alerts and audible alerts, and even includes unmarked police cars. Now, without further ado, let's get in the car and actually give you a real-world demonstration on how it works. Bit of a different walkthrough today, opposed to just walking around the car showing you what we've installed, because we want to give you a real-world demonstration of how the Target Blue Eye works. Now, Target Blue Eye 2, this is the number 2, is a bit of equipment that in essence detects all emergency service vehicles out there. So that could be police cars, or prime example, ambulance right there. That's why it's going to go red straight on there, because I'm pulling out in front of an ambulance. It can pick up fire engines. It's actually a perfect example just then, pure fluke, we did not plan that. Fire engines, ambulances, police cars, and even unmarked police cars. Police bikes, everything. Oh, it's our real lucky day today, Max, because if you're looking straight in front of us, it's now gone red again because, what do you know, there's a police van straight in front of us. So this is giving you a great example of how the Target Blue Eye system works. Now, the only ones it won't pick up is like private ambulances. They don't transmit on the same signal that emergency service vehicles are. So how this system works is it picks up the same radio signals that all the emergency service vehicles use, which is Tetra at the present, and it will move on to a new network which I think is called ESN. That'll be the new network in years to come. The Target Blue Eye 2 supports that as well. So this is the new product that's going to detect the future of communication between emergency service vehicles. Now, the whole idea of it is, I don't know, you keep driving along, maybe completely oblivious to what's going on around you, or you may have your music too loud. But the whole idea is to warn you of approaching emergency service vehicles. Obviously, these are very useful when you're on the motorway and you're doing a respectable speed and one comes up behind you that you're not aware of because it hasn't got the full livery of a police on, it's an undercover, that's going to warn you. Now, how this system works, very simple. Starts from illuminating LEDs on the screen. Now, we've mounted the display of the Target Blue Eye, custom built it into the rear view mirror, so you don't have anything extra on display. Extremely nice and easy to, it's a nice, simple installation from a looks point of view. It's a bit of a work to get it up there, but it means you don't have anything else on the car, because we're currently in a brand new RS6. Our customer doesn't want to have his car looking like the Starship Enterprise with loads of devices on, so we've fabricated it into the rear view mirror. And then how it works, LEDs will light up on the display, and they will light up from green to red depending on how close they are to you. So when they light up green, for example, like that, they're further away, and then orange means closer, red means very close. Now, I'm just going through the sensitivity settings at the moment, because what you can do is you can have it more sensitive to when you're on the motorway. That means it's going to be picked up from further away. Now, when you're driving around town, you don't want it in the most sensitive way, because you're always going to be probably near some emergency service vehicle. It's currently on red right now because the ambulance is right behind me. But if he wasn't, then obviously all these lights would unilluminate. I'll be just sat there with one green. Now, because it's the Target Blue Eye 2, it has a few more features over the 1, other than just being a better product and better design. This product also, over the Target Blue Eye 1, which I've got in my own car, actually gives you white LEDs at the bottom right, which would indicate if there's more than one emergency service vehicle. Because this could go off and it could go red and you could see an ambulance and think, oh, that's all that's around me. But actually, you probably may not be aware that there might be another emergency service vehicle, like a police car, an unmarked police car, also around you. So what you've got is you've got 3 white lights on the bottom right here, and they will illuminate 1, 2 or 3, depending on if you have 1, 2 or 3 emergency service vehicles around you. We may be lucky enough to catch that, depending on how we're driving. I'm currently driving around Reading near the unmarked police car. There you go, hangout station. So we've got 2 white lights now, so that will indicate there is not 1 but 2 emergency service vehicles around me, and it's lit up green and orange, indicating they are not really far away, but not really close. It's impossible to put a distance on it. Target can work up to 200 meters away and sometimes even further, depending on car, installation and aerial. Very simple product. It will detect emergency service vehicles and warn you of their whereabouts within a 360-degree angle. So it picks up all the way around your car, whether it's in front of you or behind you, and warns you. Now the other thing you can do on the Target Blue Eye 2 is you can add another product from Target called the Laser Track Flare. Now we'll put that into another video, but that is in essence a garage door opener, electric gate opener and a light activation kit. Now this car has that, and I'm going to fire at him and I'm going to show you what it does. Oh, there he is! And look at him in his high-vis jacket. But we'll put that into another video and we'll discuss that. But just for now, you can see down here, if you look down by my finger, that's where the little button is for that. But that'll be in a separate video and we'll talk about that. But other than that, this Target Blue Eye is designed to pick up emergency service vehicles, including marked police cars and unmarked police cars. How you use it, it's entirely up to you, but it does exactly what it says on the tin and it's fully legal. There is no grey area. This product is completely legal and it's a brilliant driver aid. You know, so you get out of the way of fire engines coming up behind you, get out of the way of ambulances, or if you're going a little bit too quick on the motorway, it's going to warn you that someone behind you might not like it and maybe you should slow down a bit. All right, but that's it for this on-the-road demonstration of a Target Blue Eye 2 in a brand new Audi RS6. We hope you like what you're watching. Don't forget to support our channel and like and subscribe. If you want to see more of these videos where we're actually on the road doing demonstrations, drop a comment. We're quite happy to do it, but when it comes to products like this, it has to be done. We can't show you this static parked outside the shop, not unless we flukily have a police car or an ambulance in our car park, which is unlikely because we're all good boys at our place. So anyway, I'm going to sign it off now. For all the boys at John Cleese Car Audio, Dave, the technician who installed it, Max behind the camera, and myself, Connor, we'll see you soon.